Greetings everyone, I bring you a new video about price action and finance markets. I'm going to trade purely based on zone rejections or breakouts. Let's go over the strategy I will be using. We will focus on the points of interest based on the price, using this as the base for our reactions. Observe this area. Here I'm showing a zone that acts as support or was previously a resistance. Then the zone started providing support, but it can become resistance, again depending on the price behavior. Now it's forming resistance again. Look at how the price reacted. Right there I'm going to take long position. I'm entering a long position because the price showed a significant reaction. Observe how the price behaves over the times based on the candlesticks. The price is an upward momentum, followed by pullbacks. The constant point of moment pullbacks, it was we're analyzing. It may have entered a new support level. I wait to see a new movement. Usually we see the price rise strongly, but this movement indicates that the price isn't failing. There's new in the market today. Make it quite volatile first position, okay? So let's wait for this to get sure. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And first position one, guys, in Euro USD. Right? Perfect. Now we have $14.88. That's good. Let's change these colors for this line right here. Okay? And guys, there's a resistance zone here. Okay, if the price returns to the zone and doesn't break through, I might enter short position. This point suggests there's not enough liquidity to break this high. I make decisions based on these points. If the price pulls back and tests again, as you can see right here, I'll make another decision. I wait for the price to break and then returning to the zone without surprising it. If the support zone isn't broken, I would take short position. If the price doesn't surpass the zone, it means the uptrend continue. Okay? The price shows clear signs of continue the uptrend. When the price returns, I will consider a reverse position. Okay? That's very clear, guys. So you need to pay attention on this one. Just compare the lines. All right? So when the price returns right here, we have this downtrend again and this uptrend. That is very clear for us. When the price returns, I will consider reverse position. I've already won the first position. Okay? Now, I will perform my second position using an amount of $14.88 and analyze patiently. Because in an uptrend, I can't enter against it. If the price reacts and rejects, I will enter. Okay? So, right here, guys, we have the sequence, okay? We have this downtrend, we got the resistance right here. All right. And look at this. Look at this green candle right now. All right. It's look like, guys, it's breaking. But let's wait for the candle to close to confirm. The price isn't ideal, but let's observe, okay? Let's click on the sell button. The candle is showing a strong reversal, indicating a lack of liquidity to continue rising. The price will seek a new support point, so I enter short position. Click on the sell button. as I show it for you right now. I'm trading the pairs to minimize losses and maximize entries, waiting for the positions to close to confirm. And well guys, this was another one for us, $27. Alright? The next was red retracing, and continue with the video. I took a slight break and it's difficult markets, making it very complicated for me to trade. Price action is complicated in reality because I might say that price is going to rise here. Or rise then here, but it can still pull back and I might lose. The confirmation might be too late and then it's drop all at once, which has been happening later with this pair. Should I wait or be patient? Well, since it's volatility, I will wait for the lows. Alright? And I wait for the entry without hesitation. Even though it seems challenging, I don't doubt it, but just enter at the low, click on the buy button. There are a lot of wicks on the upside. Okay, so because that, I will click on this. The concept of the price action, there is going to be a lot happening, right? Resistance and support. Whether it's 5 minutes or 1 minute, in the case I use 2 minutes to give her more time, all right? If I don't have the patience to wait for the lower entry point, I can lose, but it's so volatile that within 1 minute it can drop and then rise suddenly. That's the beauty of volatility. At any given time, the candle can go in your favor, but it can always go against you. Remember, pullback often happens when it breaks the zone. Then 50% returns to the break zone. Alright, and then it continues in a strong uptrend or downtrend. The price does not mark the zone. It's keep rising or falling, and reversal happens when the price doesn't pass the zone. You wait for it to consolidate and then the downside come in. Okay? It's difficult to explain everything in the video, and we'll try to explain as clearly as possible. We could have followed the PowerPoint, but look at the volatility. This is where I ask if it's possible to trade like this if you see the market like this. It's best to trade with very little. Why? Because usually you see the downside clearly. I don't know if I win or lose yet. Beginning the water, sometimes the market turns are within less than a minute. If it's a reaction, it may have found a support zone, and patience is needed. I have 2 seconds right here. Let's see another win on Euro USD, guys, at a fractal point, but I almost lost it. Price is reaction to support, but it's keep falling. So I wouldn't consider an entry there. It's a very complicated entry to the upside, even though it might react. But I think this is the right point. I'm going to get another entry. Alright? Time right now, 2 minutes, give me a better chance to win. $48. Let's see, it's look like it's turning down. And then intermediate zone again. Let me go in again quickly and sign off this video. I'm waiting for the middle. It's a drop wall perfect. We got an entry well and it's grabbing me right at jump. The price falls and rise, fall, reject, rise, go back down and then up again. That's the part I'm looking for, the pullback in the rejection zone. Looks the prices here, forming candlestick partner. You can see the price action with candlestick partner too. This is like an inverted hammer with an engulfment next to it. It's rejection hard and gives me an ideal retracement for entry on the upside. Alright, so this is interesting. It's good to see volatility. Can be right, but you can always lose. I use 2 minutes to avoid sudden volatility and potential loss. Okay, now let's wait for the results, guys. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Win again, guys, for a good price action. A lot of scares. Well, this video interesting because we see two sides of the coin and we got $86 in the total. In the first two trades I tried to make with continuation points. Slight rejection occurred, the price reaction, and as shoot in 1 minute. When the market gets complicated for me to read, I started looking for other ways and send it 2 minutes, always in the favor of the trend to find low points with patience. But the central point was much lower. Notice that when there is volatility, price action is not always effective. So what do I do with volatility? The best thing is to stop trading for a while, right? And wait for the market to calm down and start respecting zones again because it can move fast both ways. You might say it's going up or falling. Remember that, guys, please don't forget it. All right? Yes, but the reaction happened in 30 seconds, both ways, already reacting. When that happens, it's always so fast and you might be right, but lose quickly. I look forward to showing a slower market in the next video where I can think more clearly, because when the market is volatile, I start thinking faster and make quick decisions, and it's there or not, or it's gone. If I had taken the entry and the previous point, I would have missed the opportunity. And when it's already down, it gets complicated. You might think you didn't enter the upside with a red engulfment candle. That's the tricky part in volatility. I hope this video helped you understand a bit of what price action is. Remember, practice makes perfect. Watching the video won't teach you, but with time, observing the partners or a candlestick, you can then find it. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, guys, please, with your opinion. Okay? What do you think about this? Can you see how this all works? See you on the live stream in the next video, guys. Have a good day and see you later. Bye bye. See you.